Good evening. First of all, I really think that it's important that you folks take a moment and acknowledge the incredibly huge, brave step that you took to step foot into this room this evening. Foreclosure is a terrifying, terrifying word. It comes with so many mysteries that people don't understand. It comes with fear. It comes with emotion. It's filled with passion. It affects not only one person, it affects families. It affects communities. It digs deep into our society and it digs deep into our community. And it took a tremendous amount of effort and courage on all of your behalf to come here tonight. And I know that my fellow task force members will join me in congratulating you on taking the first step towards making a difference in your life. As has been mentioned, I am a foreclosure counselor. I am also a certified credit restoration specialist. I have the privilege and pleasure to work with all of these people on this panel in a volunteer basis, and I have to tell you that you are really an incredibly lucky group of people. I was raised in a family of attorneys, and these people are giving you not just their time, they're giving you their heart and their passion to make your lives better. So please, please take advantage of it. We are all committed to making Collier County, or actually not making, continuing with Collier County to be the strong, wonderful community that it is, that we've all chosen to live in. So take advantage of the opportunities that appear up here and the resources that we have to offer you. I'm kind of a detail person for you tonight, and you have this incredible booklet of information that's been provided by the task force. Somewhere in the middle, there is a page that says instructions for participants in foreclosure counseling. Basically, what we're working with you as are intervention counselors. Whether you have missed a payment or are worrying about when that time may occur, there are opportunities for you. But in order for us to help you, we need you to help us. We need to have very specific documents so that we can speak with the lenders to help you. We need you to really think through some very serious items and come up with some very specific figures. It's very difficult sometimes when you are trying to evaluate how much money you spend on a monthly basis. And I have the privilege of teaching home buyer education here in Collier County, and we have a lot of fun with this. This isn't a fun time for you, though, because you're spending more likely more than you're earning at this given point. But in order for us to take the greatest advantage of the opportunities that are there for you, we need you to help us and tell us completely your detailed budget. All of the expenses that you have, things that are often overlooked include daycare. Include prescriptions if you have a child that suffers from a continuing illness, if you would. So on the pages that follow my instructions, you're going to find samples of a homeowner budget, which is one of the requirements that you need in order to do a loss mitigation, which is the really technical term that we use to prepare for your lender. There's also a sample list of expense items, and we kind of brainstormed to think of all of the items that we all tend to forget on a daily basis when you reach to your pocket and you spend some money. All of that, those facts are helpful to us to help you. In addition to that, there are a couple of samples within your packet of a hardship letter. I am absolutely certain from looking at the faces in this audience that there's not a one of you that planned to be in this room when you bought your house. So something has brought you to this point where you are experiencing a financial hardship. In order to help relay that information to the lender, we need your help in explaining that to us. So there's a couple of samples of those letters enclosed for your review. We also, if you by chance lost your job, had reduced earnings, any kind of documentation is most needed for us, again, to present the strongest case for you. We'll need a list of other items, an ID, your current mortgage statement, your last 2 tax returns, last 2 years of tax returns, your current second mortgage statement if it is. Documents, the best packet that you can use to bring in is the packet that the title company gave you when you closed on the home. The list is all here in your packet. I know that you'll all take them and have some time to look at them, but looking at them isn't what matters. What really matters is that you've made the first step. Please make the second step. Contact the Collier County Legal Aid Office. Seek out the help that we are so willing to give you. Call upon someone. People do care. We want to save your home, and we hope you'll give us the opportunity to work with you. Thank you.